and welcome back to the channel. This time from
Maldives! So we are here for our honeymoon and it's at Finohlu Resorts and it's located at Baa Atoll.
Yes, so Baa Atoll is north of Male and we chose to come here because of its incredible beaches and also because it's the season that the Manta Rays come to this atoll. So we thought that there is no better way to start the Maldives series than a villa tour video. So,
Necessarily.
yes. So without further ado, let's hop right into it. Welcome to our villa. Alright, so this is the entrance that we have the space for luggage, shoes. Sometimes we put our snorkeling equipment here and then we continue. Ta-da! This is the room. So we have a very nice mirror here. It's a full body, like with these wooden things. I don't know what this exactly, but it's super pretty. And then we walk here. This is like a small pantry area. We have coffee machine, we have water which is refilled every day, we have coffee and tea, we have water heater, and then watch this. Of course there is a fridge, but there is also a wine fridge because we have complimentary wine, and then
It's a wine cellar.
Wine cellar, right. And then on this side we have some cups, snacks, and then here we have some glasses for wine, water, and some other spirits. Then here is the wardrobe. It's basically two big wardrobes identical to each other. And how they look on the inside, they have a bunch of hangers, drawers, we were given sleepers. Right next to it, we have the desk area. For now, we have put all our gears and some of my jewelry here. There is a nice mirror that looks like a shell. And then there's also a very nice little lamp here in case we need to work or read. And then we continue to the main part. So a little hanger here for clothes and bags. Here we have a couch to chill. Then here there is another armchair to chill as well with a nice little table. And then this is the gigantic bed. It's seriously the comfiest bed I have ever slept at. Basically, the moment we go on the bed, we immediately fall asleep. It's so comfy and so big. It's just amazing. Then here, there's a TV area with more storage if we need. Marshall speaker. Then we continue to the bathroom. Sink area with two sinks. Of course, now we have all our stuff here, but hair dryer was here, and also here they gave a few toiletries like cotton pads, sewing kit, nail filer. They even gave a hair tie for the ladies. And then one of my favorite features of this villa is the bathtub with a view. Just It's so nice to just have a bath here and look outside to the ocean. We have the ocean pool villa, which means that we are facing literally the Indian Ocean. Super cool. Then we continue here. Towel hanger. So this, let's say, is the least interesting part of the villa. It's the toilet. And then we have shower number 1. This is our indoor shower, both with waterfall and a moving thing. And then let's go. Outdoor shower number 1 and in general shower number 2. Here we can take a shower in the open air and the shower is like a waterfall. And also in this area we can hang some of our swimwear to dry, like we have right now. So this is the bathroom area, and let's go to the best part of the villa. Ready? Our balcony. So I don't know how much you can hear. I hope you can hear everything. It's a very cozy balcony. We have a big couch here. This is super comfy to chill, especially in the afternoon that we have the sun hitting here. 2 rocking armchairs. Shower number 3 and outdoor shower number 2 here. Super cool. You can shower and look at the ocean. The best. And top feature of this villa is our plunge pool. Last but not least, the platform to the ocean. Come on. Best picture. And with the staircase straight into the ocean.
So that's it guys for the villa tour. Hope you enjoyed it.
In general, we wanted to say that this resort has put a lot of care in the interior design. It's really nice and everything in here is of high quality, so we really appreciate that. So yes, we hope you enjoyed our villa tour and we will see you in our next video from Maldives. Bye!